Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with a cool trick and affordable and simple ways to do things. Today we're going to be doing a short quick tip on keeping up your AC from mold, mildew, bacteria, all those things you're breathing in. Do this once every 6 months to a year. You'll be assured that the air coming out into your cabin is nice and clean. We want to remove cabin filters. And on this car, they're all in different places, so you get to look around. This is a Honda Civic, our project. And you pull that little cover off, pull your cabin filter out. And there are two of them. This one slides over to this side. You pull that one out. This is the one that had the massive mice infestation. Sorry if the camera is wiggling around. I'm doing it one-handed. Snap your cover back on. You can leave your glove box open if you want. Now what we're going to do is pull our cowl off. Like I said, this is your cowl, C-O-W-L. Take your handy dandy panel tool, pop out your rivets. You may have a couple screws across here that you'll have to take out, and you pull your cowl up and out of the way. Now as you can see down in here, you can see the blower fan down there, right down there. This is how simple this is. I'll get the camera up there and show it to you. There's your blower. And you see those acorns in the back side there? We'll dig them out. All sanitized and clean so your kids and you are not breathing in black mold and mildew and bacteria. What you want to do is turn your key forward so your blower will turn on. You want your fan to turn on. That's all you got to do. You don't have to start the car. Now what you want to do is spray your disinfectant right in this hole. The fan will pick it up, and you just want a misting going in there. You'll let it run on your defrost for about 30 seconds. You'll let it run on your heater vents, your dash vents for about 30 seconds, your floor about 30 seconds, and just run it through so the disinfectant can go in there and kill all the germs. Our first video we did on doing the AC flush through the evaporator and the heater core and all that, that's what you want to do first. Then this is just a maintenance tip to keep all that stuff out of your system. All right? So the fan will suck it in. Just like that. And I spray it for about 15 seconds. That's all you have to do there. We'll let it run inside, then we'll come back and only have to spray it maybe 5 or 6 seconds on each one of your vent, your heater, your defrost, all that stuff. And as I said, the fan will pick that up and it's sucking it right in there. Now I'm going to share with you how much suction that fan actually has. Watch when I put this paper towel up there slowly. See that? Pulls it right in there. So picking up the disinfectant, flushing it through all your system is a great maintenance tip.